In this video, we're diving deep into PHP custom exceptions. We will explore how to create and throw custom exceptions, and how to build robust error handling with custom exception classes. Let's understand what custom exceptions are. Custom exceptions are user-defined exception classes that extend PHP's built-in exception class. This allows you to handle specific error scenarios in your application. Some key benefits of using custom exceptions are that it enables you to provide specific error handling, allows for meaningful error messages, and offers a better debugging experience. Let's explore the basic custom exception structure. Here is an example of a basic custom exception class. We start by defining a class called custom exception, which extends the built-in exception class. Inside the class, we define a constructor using the _construct function, which takes a message as an argument. The constructor then calls the parent ::construct function, passing the message to the parent class. Some key points to remember are that the custom exception extends the existing exception class, inheriting all its built-in functionality. The constructor allows you to customize the initialization behavior, and calling the parent's constructor maintains the core exception features. Let's delve deeper into creating a custom exception class with enhanced features. Here is an example of an enhanced custom exception called validation exception. This class extends the exception class and includes a private property called field. The constructor takes a message and an optional field as arguments. It calls the parent's constructor with the message and sets the field property. Additionally, there is a getField method to retrieve the field property. This enhanced exception class allows you to store additional data through custom properties, access specific information using custom methods, offers a flexible constructor that accepts multiple parameters, and provides context awareness by knowing which field failed validation. Now let's examine how to throw custom exceptions in PHP. Here's an example of how to use the validation exception class. The validateAge function takes an age as an argument. If the age is less than 18, it throws a new validation exception with a message indicating that the age must be 18 or older, and specifies that the age field is the cause of the exception. If the age is valid, the function returns true. When throwing an exception, you can use the basic throw syntax by creating a new instance of an exception class. You can also include a custom message or pass additional parameters to the exception constructor. Let's see how we can catch custom exceptions in PHP. To catch exceptions, you enclose the code that might throw an exception in a try block. Then you use catch blocks to handle specific exceptions. In the example, the validateAge function is called with an age of 16 inside the try block. If a validation exception is thrown, the first catch block will catch it, outputting a validation error message along with the field that caused the error. If a different exception is thrown, the second catch block will catch it, displaying a general error message. There are several benefits to catching custom exceptions. It allows for specific handling of different exception types, provides access to custom data using custom methods like getField, offers a fallback handling with a general exception catch as a backup, and ultimately leads to a better user experience with more meaningful error responses. Let's explore how to use multiple custom exception types in your PHP applications. You can define different exception classes for various error scenarios, such as database exception for database-related errors, file not found exception for file operation errors, and authentication exception for authentication failures. When using these exceptions, you can catch them in separate catch blocks, allowing you to handle each type of error differently. For example, you might handle database errors by logging the error message and redirecting the user, while handling file not found errors by displaying a user-friendly message. Let's recap some best practices and summarize the key takeaways regarding custom exceptions. Some best practices to keep in mind are to use meaningful names for your exception classes, provide clear and helpful error messages, create specific exceptions for different scenarios, and add relevant data to your exceptions using custom properties. To summarize, custom exceptions extend the exception class. You can throw them using the throw new keyword, You can catch specific exception types for better error handling, and they ultimately improve debugging and the user experience. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.